All right, guys, we got you a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Edition, Police Interceptor Edition. Got that bumper guard in the front. Got factory converters there, two here, so it's got a total of 4. Then it's got a factory H-pipe, and then what we put on it is some Flow FX there and there. Part number 71415, and we also put some U-Power 4-inch blue flame tips there and there at an angle. Give it that sexy look, as you guys can see. Got a nice orange color to it. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off. And we replace them with those right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.
2005 Mercury Grand Marquis luxury model, 4.6 liter V8. Still has the stock cats right there and right there. We did true dual straight pipes all the way back into 3.5-inch stainless steel tips. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Yeah. Perfect. That sounds really clean. Well, excellent. Give it that nice. Your sound decibels? Yeah? 90 bucks. Not too bad. That's nice how it gives it that hint of blue. Yeah. Good choice on that. The Police Interceptor wheels. You gotta tint the windows. Ceramic. Yeah, I'm trying to get that one. I'm trying to keep it a little. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh yeah. Woo! Decibels? 111. Loud.
Crown Victoria Flow FX and 4-inch tip. True dual with an H-pipe. That's clean.
Love these cars. Yeah. I know I'm not the same guy, but beast mode.